Halor ke jingsha kynnoh hapo ke rilom garo baga United Democratic Party baga dei ke party tang jang ki pai ba ke rilom Khasi. Ujuan Leslie ubade ukertong ke UDP na ke 51 South Tura constituency ula Phla ba ya ke dei ke kintian na penmi da ukpa jang u Konrad PA Sangma ubade u menteri rangba ke jila Meghalaya upurno Sangma ha ke por ba ya lap election na ke banta ukun jang u.
UDP is in Kyrwoh Hills. UDP is considered as a Khasi party mainly, and it do not have.
The architect of that thought is Mr. PA Sangma, who says this is a Khasi party, who says the Khasi dance like ants crawling, and then UDP will never work for the people of Kyrwoh Hills. But then this same person, led PA Sangma, is the person who came back. He accused Mr. Don Kyrwoh of committing atrocities against the Garos. But after we, the people of Kyrwoh Hills, give him the mandate, he immediately come up to Shillong and made Don Kyrwoh the chief minister of Meghalaya. And that speech, when he said that UDP is a Khasi party, whose architecture the president is Don Kyrwoh, who has committed atrocities against the Garos, was made during the campaign for Mr. Konrad Sangma. Konrad was very much there. His father was very much there, giving a speech where he calls the Khasi, the Don Kyrwoh committing atrocities against the Garos. And when Mr. Don Kyrwoh passed away, we all know, Konrad went there, he was crying and he was saying that I feel like I have lost my father for the second time. So the hypocrisy keeps on repeating. And I think the people of the state must now definitely come out and take a call where the person is trying to manipulate the thinking and the way they vote during the election.